today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start making money on Amazon. You don't need any experience, nor do you need to have any money in order to start this business model. So if you have been looking for something that's really simple, you can do it any time of the day, and you can make thousands of dollars per month, Amazon KDP is one of the best business ideas that I will highly recommend to anyone that's just getting started. Now, if you are unsure what this Amazon KDP includes, it's basically an outlet that Amazon has where it allows regular people like you and me to upload low content information. They will do the publishing and ship it out to a customer once they've made a purchase. Now, here are some examples of low content book. This is just a notebook that I have that I write my thoughts in, and this is a Amazon KDP book, very simple to create, and I'm going to be showing you how you can do that in today's video and how much you can make. Now, this is also another example. This is actually one of my favorite ones from Amazon. This one gives you like different scriptures at the bottom. And this last one right here is a planner, a 2025 planner. So these are some examples of Amazon KDP. These are some of the highest selling KDP items that are selling on Amazon. And I recently discovered the seller that's making over $58,000 per month selling blank journals. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started in today's video. The first thing that you want to do is go to kdp.amazon.com in order to access this page. Now, once you're there, you're going to go ahead and click on Join KDP. It's going to ask you to fill out your information here and create an account. Now, I already have an account. Now, once you have signed up for your Amazon KDP account, this is what your page should look like. It should have create, manage, publish. You're going to click on this option to create. But before we do that, we have to go over to canva.com in order to create our book cover and the low content information. Now, for this example, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a notebook. And just to give you an idea of how profitable this business idea is, we're going to go over to Amazon to analyze this idea first. Now, if we go onto Amazon and type in note, book a journal, and scroll down, we will see that this first option is one of their highest selling ones with over 7,000 purchases in 1 month. You will see that their base price is $14. And please note, as an Amazon KDP seller, your royalties are 60%. That means you're getting 60% of your listing price as the amount that you will make on Amazon. So Amazon takes 40% and you get 60% for every book that has been sold. Now back to our computer, you will notice that if you multiply this times this, and 60% of that will give you about $58,000. That's the profit that you can actually make by selling this type of notebook on Amazon. It looks really simple and it's easy to create, and we're going to show you how you can do this in Canva right now. Now, if you head on over to Canva and type in the word notebook, there are going to be different options right here that you can choose from. Now, because we're going for a notebook journal, I would go for this one right here. And I'm going to click on that and click on customize. Now, as you can see right here, it's minimalist journal note page. And this is perfect for what we're doing. As I showed you in the example of this book, it's the same thing. They just put a cover on it. They have blank pages in here. So these are like the blank pages. And mind you, this is a book that I use. So they have blank pages in them. And it's so easy to create. And we're going to go into that right now. So once you click on customize, you're going to go ahead and see the pages. What you're going to do from here is you're going to click on duplicate the pages until you're about at 100. So you're going to click on duplicate for each one of them. So that means you can duplicate these pages to about 100. Okay, so we are at 100 pages. What you're going to do is you are going to save this to your computer by clicking on the download option. The PDF standard is the one that you can choose in this example, and you can download all the pages. If this tutorial has been super simple and helpful so far, I want you to do me a favor and write in the comments 2025 money made simple. So now that we have created our low content information, it's time to create our cover in Canva. And to do this, all you have to do is go back to Canva and type in book cover. And I'm going to show you the one that we're going to be using. So keep in mind that once you're creating your book, it has to have the dimensions recommended by Amazon KDP. And we have different sizes that Amazon KDP uses, but we're using the 17.015 by 11.94 inches for this one. And this is how, basically, this is the back part, this is the center, and then this is what's going to be at the front. And once you have created your book cover, you're going to go ahead, click on share, download, and ensure that this is changed to PDF standard. Now let's move on to Amazon KDP so I can show you how you'll be able to upload your books so you can start making money on Amazon. You'll be able to choose from Kindle ebook, paperback, hardcover, or series book. Now, I recommend that you click on the paperback option. That's the one that we're going to be using. Once we click on that, it's going to ask you for the language. The book title is important. So I highly recommend that you go to Amazon and look at some ideas that you could name your book. But for this one, we could call it Professional Notebook Journal. And again, we can go to Amazon and look for some ideas in terms of what are some other keywords. So Amazon Basis is one of them. We have paperback that we could use, lined we could use as well. So basic notebook. We can also use lined paperback. So these are some keywords that you can use in your description. Now, once you scroll down, you will see that there are different things that we need to fill out. Some of them are optional. Right here is where you're going to put your name. So I'm going to put my name right here. And the author, if there's someone helping you with this, and you're going to write a description. Now, just to give you an idea, we could use ChatGPT in order to write a description for us. So create a description for my Amazon KDP, and we put in the title. We're going to go ahead and let ChatGPT write for us. We're going to go ahead and also correct where necessary. As you can see, ChatGPT placed 120 pages. We have 100 pages. And we have Grammarly downloaded so we can keep track if there are any grammatical errors. Once we scroll down, you see that we can click right here. I own copyright. That is why you need to ensure that your work is also original. You can change around the fonts, the lines within your design. So we're going to click on the first one. This is a no. Now we're going to go ahead and choose the categories which they are important. The categories will basically tell Amazon where to list your book. We normally use the self-help option right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on a couple of these options. Yeah, you can click on any three. It could have been anxiety, it could have been creativity, it could have been general. So we can, instead of doing time management, we could have clicked on general that covers these things right here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on save. We're going to click on this option right here and we're going to add some keywords. And these keywords looks great. Then we're going to go ahead and click on save and continue. Now, in this section, you're going to choose how you want your book to be prepared by Amazon. We are going to choose this option right here, and we're going to choose the 8 by 11 option. It can be glossy. Let's leave it here. And then we're going to upload the manuscript. So this is where we upload the manuscripts. So once we click on launch preview, we want to make sure that everything is checked off when it comes on to the book cover and the interior of our book. So this is how it's going to be looking when someone goes ahead and purchase your book. So quality check has been successful. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to click on approve. So once we have clicked on approve, this is what we're going to be seeing right here. It's going to show us a preview of what we have done so far. And also it's going to show us how much it's going to cost us to actually have this book printed. So it's going to cost us $2.84. We're going to go ahead and click on save and continue. Now that we are at the final step of publishing our book on Amazon, let's go ahead and include our pricing. Now, I will highly recommend that you stay below the bestseller price. We're going to stay below that $14 and put it about $9 to $11, somewhere about there. We want to be lower than them. So we have the potential to be chosen based on our pricing and also based on the book design. So two things, pricing and book design. We're going to go ahead and put $11 right here. And as you can see, Amazon autofill the other currencies for us. Then we're going to go ahead and publish. But before we publish, please note that this will take up to 72 hours for your book to be able to be purchased on Amazon. So we're going to go ahead and click on publish your paperback book. And this is basically how it looks right now. And we're just going to wait for 72 hours. And that is how you can create your own Amazon KDP and start making money on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up also. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so once I upload other videos, you will be notified. And I'll see you in my next video.